The length of the perpendicular from a point P x1 comma y1 to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is always given by, that is the perpendicular distance, that is called the distance. 2 times area of triangle PQR divided by QR will give the length of the perpendicular from Px1 comma y1 to the line L. What is the value of QR? The distance QR is equal to C by AB into root of A square plus B square. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to discuss very important concept, that is the derivation of distance of a point from a line. So the distance of a point from a line and the distance of two parallel lines. This is very important concept. So you may expect this derivation for 5 marks. Now let us derive. What is the formula actually? The length of the perpendicular from a point P x1 comma y1 to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is always given by, that is the perpendicular distance, that is called the distance. The length of perpendicular from a point P x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Suppose this is the line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the length of perpendicular from this point Px1 comma y1 to this line is given by d. d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square under mod. So let us take for example, the length of perpendicular from 1 comma 2 to line 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is, so here the distance d, what is a? A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2 and x1 comma y1 is the point 1 comma 2, substitute here. So therefore the distance d is equal to mod of a is 2 into x1 is 1 plus b is 3 into y1 is 2 plus c is 2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. That's equal to 2 1s are 2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 2 divided by root 13. So therefore the distance d is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by root 13 is the length of perpendicular from the point 1 comma 2 to the line 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the method to solve the problem. So what is the formula? D is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Now let us discuss the derivation. Now derive an equation of the distance of a point from a line. This is very important question for 5 marks, right? Now let us consider a line. Let L is a line. This line, let a line L cuts the x-axis at Q and y-axis at R, P x1 comma y1 be any point. So here let a line cuts the x-axis at Q and y-axis at R and P x1 comma y1 be any point on the line. Draw a perpendicular. PM is drawn perpendicular to the line. So PM is equal to the perpendicular distance. So what is to find is this perpendicular distance. That's it. Okay. Now the distance of a point from P x1 comma y1 to the line, this is the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the perpendicular distance, that is denoted as d. D is the perpendicular distance. Now what is to find is the perpendicular distance from P x1 comma y1 to the line, right? Now since this line cuts the x-axis at Q and y-axis at R, PM is the perpendicular distance. Now the coordinates of the point Q and R are given by, the coordinates of the point Q is equal to minus c by a comma 0 and the coordinates of the point P R is equal to 0 comma minus c by b, and whereas the point P x1 comma y1, just find out the coordinates. Therefore the coordinates of the point Q is equal to minus c by a comma 0 and similarly the coordinates of the point R is equal to 0 comma minus c by b. Here y is equal to 0, here x is equal to 0, If you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, you will get one more point, that is minus c by a comma 0 and 0 comma minus c by b. That's it. Okay. Now, therefore, p x1 comma y1 and the coordinates p q. Q is, what is q? Minus c by a comma 0 and r is nothing but 0 comma minus c by b. So, just find out the area of the triangle PQR. Just find out the area of this triangle PQR. So, the area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle PQR is equal to half into PM, half into the perpendicular distance into RQ, PM into RQ. Just find out the area. So, area of the triangle PQR is equal to half into PM into PQ. Right. Now, just what is to find the perpendicular distance? What is the perpendicular distance PM? Just cross multiply it. If you cross multiply it, therefore, PM can be written as multiplied 2 times area of triangle PQR divided by this QR. So, 2 times area of triangle PQR divided by QR will give the length of the perpendicular from Px1 comma y1 to the line L. That's it. Okay. See, very simple. Let the line cuts the x-axis at Q and y-axis at R. Then let Px1 comma y1 be a point. So, PM is drawn perpendicular to the line. PM is the perpendicular distance which is to be determined. Now, therefore, the coordinates of Q is equal to minus c by a comma 0 and the coordinates of R is equal to 0 comma minus c by b. Now, just find out the area of this triangle PQR. So, since P is equal to x1 comma y1, Q minus c by a comma 0, R is 0 comma minus c by b, the area of triangle PQR is equal to half into PM into QR. Cross multiply it. If you cross multiply, PM is equal to 2 times the area of triangle PQR divided by QR. Now, just I'll write here PM is equal to 2 times area of triangle PQR divided by QR. Okay, right. Now, first find out the distance QR. So, we know the points. What are the points? P x1 comma y1 P Q. Q is minus c by a comma 0 and R is 0 comma minus c by b. Now, just you know what is the formula for QR? QR is equal to distance between these 2 points, root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole the square. So, therefore, QR is equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square, that is 0 minus into minus plus c by a whole square plus minus c by b plus 0 whole the square. So, this is equal to c square by a square plus c square by b square. This can be simplified. Take LCM. What is the LCM? A square b square is the LCM. So, what we will get? A square gets cancelled. We get c square b square plus b square gets cancelled. A square c square. You can take the common factor. C square is the common factor. Root of c square into a square plus b square divided by ab whole square. So, you can take this square root of c square is c, root of a square, ab whole square is ab. So, we can take mod c by ab out into root of a square plus b square. Let us represent this as equation number 1. So, what is the value of QR? The distance QR is equal to c by ab into root of a square plus b square. Now, just find out the area of triangle PQR. Now, P x1 y1 Q. What is Q? Minus c by a comma 0 and R. What is R? 0 comma minus c by b. Now, therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is the formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Just what is the formula? Half into, substitute the value. What is x1? x1 is x1 as it is. y2 is 0 minus y3 minus into minus plus c by b plus x2. X2, what is x2? X2 is minus c by a into y3. Y3 is minus c by b minus y1. Y1 is y1 itself plus x3. What is x3? x3 is 0 into any number, we will get 0. Now this is equal to half into x1 into c by b. Again this is multiplied, minus into minus plus, c into c is c square divided by ab. Again minus into minus plus, c into y1 divided by a. Now this can be written as half into, just you can take LCM. AB is the LCM here. AB is the LCM. So BB gets cancelled. We will get A, yes, B and B gets cancelled. A into C into x1 plus AB gets cancelled. We will get C square. A and A gets cancelled. We will get a BC into y1. Right. Just take LCM. AB is the LCM. B and B gets cancelled. What is left over is A into C into x1 plus C square as it is. Again here A and A gets cancelled. B into C is BC into y1. Okay. Now you can take the common factor. So this is equal to half into, you can take, what is the common factor? C is the common factor. We can take C out. Then what is left over is AX1 plus, put it in order, BY1 plus C divided by A into B. Right. Let us represent this as equation number 2. Okay. Now, just so therefore, PM is equal to, from this, let us call this as equation number A. Therefore, from equation, from PM, what is PM? PM is equal to 2 times area of PQR, 2 times area of PQR divided by Q into R. Now substitute the values. So 2 into, what is area of triangle PQR from equation number 2? So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into C by AB, 1 by 2 into C by AB into AX1 plus BY1 plus C into AX1 plus BY1 plus C whole divided by QR. What is QR from equation number? Equation number 1, we have C by AB into root of A square plus B square. That's it. This is from equation number 1 and 2. Very simple, see. So 2 times area of triangle PQR is half into C by AB into mod of AX1 plus B1 plus C divided by, what is PQR? QR is nothing but from equation number 1, C by AB into root of A square plus B square. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. C by AB gets cancelled. What is left over? Mod of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square. So hence the length of the perpendicular PM is always equal to mod of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square. So this can be written as the whole mod. Therefore, the perpendicular distance D is equal to mod of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square. That's it. This is how we are going to derive the equation of a line whose length of perpendicular from Px1, y1 to the line is Ax1 plus By1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square under mod. That's it. Anyway, hope you followed. This is very, very important for 5 marks. You may expect this for your final examination. A very simple concept. Now, so distance between the parallel lines. What is the distance between the parallel lines? If there are 2 parallel lines, then the distance between these 2 parallel lines, this is L1 and L2. So L1 is nothing but AX plus BY plus C1 is equal to 0. Another line AX plus BY plus C2 is equal to 0. Then the distance between these 2 parallel lines is given by D is equal to mod of C1 minus C2 divided by root of A square plus B square. Okay. Now let us take an example. For example, find the distance between the 2 lines 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here, what is C1? C1 is equal to 5 and C2 is equal to 2. So therefore, the distance D is equal to mod of C1 minus C2. 5 minus 2 divided by root of A square plus B square. What is A? A is 2. What is B? B is 3. 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9. So therefore, the distance D is equal to, distance between these two parallel lines is given by 5 minus 2 is 3 divided by 13. So D is equal to 3 by root 13 is the distance between these two parallel lines. Okay. Suppose if you want to find the distance of this point, suppose one more example, another example. Suppose to find the distance of the point, the distance of the line x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 from the point minus 1 comma 3, okay, is, so what is the formula? D is equal to mod of, this is the formula we are going to use, ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3. This is x1 comma y1, x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 comma 3. Substitute here ax1, a is 1 into x1 is minus 1 plus b 2 into y1 is 3 plus c is minus 3 divided by root of a square plus b square. Root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 divided by root 5. What is this equal to? So this is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2 by root 5. So the distance is equal to 2 by root 5. So in this case, the distance is equal to 2 divided by root 5. That's it. So these are the two problems. The length of perpendicular from x1 comma y1 to the line is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So the distance between the two parallel lines is c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. So these are the two examples for distance between the parallel lines and the distance of a point from px1 comma y1 to the given line. That's it. This is how we are going to solve these type of problems. Hope you followed. Right. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.